Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hello, my name is Kristen. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of this Bioclarity Voxbox that I got from Influenster. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on the products that I got in here, then keep watching. Before I get into the video, I just want to tell you guys what Influenster is. If you don't know, it is this amazing website where you can basically sign up. You put in all your information, your name, your address, all that stuff. You link your social media accounts, and you basically can take surveys. You could review products. You can answer people's questions about products. You can ask questions about products. A ton of different stuff on there. And basically, the more active you are on the app or the website, mainly the app, they're pretty much like switching over to their app. The more active you are, the more likely you are able to get really fun Vox boxes. So this is the most recent one that I got. I did do an unboxing on it. If you guys want to see, I'll leave that linked down below if you guys are curious. Just get like a little sneak peek of what I got. So all my opinions on these products are my own. I just want to let you guys know that I did get them for free, and everything that I'm telling you guys is my own opinion. So before I get into the actual review, one, I did do a skincare routine using all these products, so that'll also be linked down below if you guys want to check that out, along, like I said, with the unboxing. And second, I did do little like check-ins weekly with you guys and take pictures of my skin, so you guys can see pretty much like live updates, I guess, on how these products went. So I'm going to play those first before I give you my final review. So tonight is the first night that I'm using the Bioclarity line that I got from Influencer. As you guys can see, I am kind of red. It's kind of hard to see in my bathroom lighting, but I do have redness. I'm looking super red right now, I feel like, because I just got back from a 2-mile walk not too long ago, and I'm still kind of like cooling down. It's also really hot outside, so there's that. But I also just have like normal redness on my cheeks. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit, but I have some pores. In person they look worse. On camera they don't look too bad, but I'm excited to see how this all goes. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about it once I use everything, because I'm gonna use the cleanser now and then hop in the shower, and I'll let you guys know once I'm done out of the shower. Alright, so I just got out of the shower and I just applied or used all of the skincare. So first I'm going to start out with the cleanse, keep it clean, cucumber green tea chamomile is in this. I like this. It's more of like an oily based cleanser. It didn't really lather like I was expecting it to. All these things, I just want to say right now, have a very light fresh scent, so nothing like too crazy. Then next I used this guy, and this is the Restore Power of Green Floralux, and this is kind of just helps nourish the skin. It has Floralux, which is from chlorophyll. It has niacinamide, witch hazel water, licorice root, and gotu-kola. This is just a nutrient-rich, redness-reducing antioxidant powerhouse that makes your skin glowing in no time. I liked this as well. It's just like a pea green color. It's kind of just like a serum, I'm gonna say. I'm definitely, like I said, interested to see if it helps with the redness and glowing. Obviously, I don't really see anything right now because I just applied it. And then the last thing that I use is the Hydrate Skin Smoothie with Floralux, Argan, and Olive. It's just a cream. This kind of, I don't know, it left like a burning, but like one of those cooling burning sensations. But I did like it. It was a pretty blue color, if anyone cares. But my skin does feel nice so far. So I'm curious to see how this is going to go I'm gonna say these products are gonna like last me about a month, so I'm definitely gonna check in like weekly and let you guys know if I see any differences in my skin or anything. One thing I'm gonna experiment with though is using the toner, because I'm thinking I'm gonna try tomorrow to not use a toner in the morning and maybe just more so use it at night, just to see if that makes a difference. And then maybe by like Saturday and Sunday I won't use a toner at all and see how that goes, because I think the toner might have been what made it burn. I don't know, but like I said, I will let you guys know within next week. I will do a check-in. How about that? I'll do a check-in next week. I have officially been using the Bioclarity products for 1 week now, and I have some notes that I wrote down to share with you guys. So, one, I know in my first update, I said that the cleanser didn't have a nice lather. It does have a very nice lather. I think I, wasn't using enough. But it really does have a good lather. I really do like that. My pores definitely have shrunk. I know I have a mask on right now, but I will post a picture of what it looks like after 1 week. And I feel like my redness has been reduced, which is good because those are the claims. And the moisturizer, I have kind of mixed feelings on the moisturizer. I don't really think it moisturizes enough. I guess I'm more used to more intense moisturizers, because like I guess you could say like where my smile lines are and kind of like along my cheeks is kind of feeling tight and not super moisturized. And I noticed that the bridge of my nose, it kind of burns for like 3 seconds though, and it's fine. So I don't really know what that's about. It's really weird. I also noticed that these products work the absolute best if your skin, like the cream, the moisturizer, and that green thing, the Flora Lux thing, those two work better if your skin is completely dry. If your skin's not completely dry, like my face would sting. So I really have to dry my face off, which is another habit, like a weird habit for me, because I've always left my face a little damp feeling so it could absorb the moisturizers. So that's just something else that I thought was weird. In my first update, I also talked about toner and cutting it out of my routine, and I have not used toner in my routine since, which I think is really good. That I think I said it was burning when I used the toner, and it definitely reduced the burning with the toner or without the toner, but just the moisturizer still burns my nose, which is really weird. Other than that, I really like the products. I think they are working. I'm going to update you guys again next week and let you know if there's any different changes. I did notice though, I do have a breakout on like my jawline, which is just supposed to be like acne free, which hopefully like maybe doing this it'll reduce it. I'm not gonna put anything on it. I'm just gonna let these products work its magic and see what happens. But yeah, that's my week 1 update. So we're on week 2's update for the Bioclarity Essentials Kit, and these are my little updates. My nose and smile line have been super dry, very tight. I remember last week saying it was really tight there too. But my nose was looking like when you blow your nose too much, like when you have a cold. So that was fun. I don't really know why that was happening. It was like just really flaky on my nose and just super tight on my face. So I started using the Garnier Skin Active Hydrating Facial Mist. And I will put this on after cleansing and exfoliating if it's an exfoliating day. I started to use that instead of a toner because if you guys remember, my skin didn't really love the toner too much. So that I've been using, I started using it last night. I used it this morning and tonight, and my skin is like fine with it. It didn't burn or anything at all. When I used the toner, which is popping out right there, my skin really burned for whatever reason, I don't know. And if you guys remember, I had a pimple over here and it took about like 4 days to shrink. This is like a anti-acne type of thing also. I do have a pimple here now, so hopefully that shrinks by the time we have the next update. But yeah, that has been about all of the updates for week 2. Alright, this is my week 4 update of the Bioclarity Essentials Kit. I didn't update for week 3 just because I saw no differences in my skin between week 2 and week 3. So that's just why I didn't update you guys. I just thought it would be pointless for me to come on here and say, hey, I didn't notice any differences. But overall, I think that the cleanser really helped clean my skin. I do have some breakouts right now, and that is because I think of a sheet mask that I used. I talk about that in my FACETORY unboxing, which you guys would have seen by now. It'll be linked down below, but that's like my only reason why I have a breakout right now. The cleanser, I really felt like my face is clean because of that. The Floralux Restore thing, I think it did help cancel out some redness. I did just apply it. If you guys can tell from my picture and my outfit now, I did change, and I just showered because I am going out and I just wanted to change my outfit because I didn't like what I was wearing. But anyway, I think it does help cancel out redness. I do have like more of a sunburn though on my face right now just from the sun. I've been at the beach and I went to Six Flags, so you know, the sunburn I feel like didn't really get canceled out because of that red or the green stuff. And hydrating the cream, I just feel like it's not hydrating enough still. I have a lot of dryness on my nose right now. My smile lines haven't been as dry and tight, which is good because that was going on for a little while. But I think my favorite thing from the whole set was the cleanser. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about my final update. Now for my final review. So in this box, we got the Essentials Kit, and the Essentials Kit retails for $29.95, and that is a $45 value. So if you sign up for the Essentials Kit, it's basically a subscription, and I'm reading all this, I wrote everything down, so that's why I'm looking down. But you get free shipping, you can save 25% off on anything that you want to add on. They have a ton of other skincare products on the Bioclarity website, and you can cancel it whenever you want. So these are the 3 products included in the Essentials Kit. First, you get the Cleanse, then you get Restore, and Hydrate. I've been using all these products for about a month now, and honestly, this is probably, there's like a quarter left. Same with this, and I don't really know how much there is in here, but it's feeling pretty light. So this does last you about a month. I have been using it every single day, so they do last you a long time. You can buy all these products on their own. So if you just wanted the cleanser for 2.25 fluid ounces, it is $9.95, and for 4 fluid ounces, it is $14.95. Then for Restore, it is $19.95 for 1 fluid ounce and $29.95 for 1.75 fluid ounces. Then Hydrate is $14.95 for 1 ounce, and then $19.95 for 2 ounces. So the benefits of these products is that they help even out your skin tone and texture. They soften and hydrate the skin. They help reduce redness, and they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free skincare products. My overall thoughts on these products: I think the products are good. The cleanser is definitely my favorite. I think I would definitely spend $14.95 on the 4 fluid ounces. Would I right now, would I go buy it? No, but I think it did work. I think that this did help wash away dirt, oil, and environmental pollutants. I really like that. Did have a nice lather. I don't think I would buy the Restore or the Hydrate product just because the Restore product, I don't really know if it really actually works. Yes, I think that the redness in my cheeks does go away. I know I'm red right now. It's because I was at Six Flags for most of the morning, and this is sunburn, and I applied this obviously before I left the house. But that's really it. I just don't, I don't really think that this is something that I need in my everyday life. Yes, I don't love the redness on my skin, but it's not something that I really need, because if I want to cancel out my redness, I just use a green primer, or I just put on a light blush to make it all blend together. The Hydrate, I just don't really love it. You guys heard me talk about it in my like little vlog clips, that my nose was really dry, my smile lines were really dry and tight, and I just don't think that this gives my skin the hydration that it needs. Like, I need intense moisture on my skin because I have very, very dry skin. But for the most part, I think that these products do live up to their claims. Like I said, this one definitely helps clean your skin. This one definitely does help cancel out some redness, and this does kind of help hydrate, but just not to the hydration that I personally like. If I really had to recommend a product, like I said, the cleanser was my favorite. I would definitely say go check out the cleanser. I think that the cleanser is the most reasonably priced one as well. These two, I don't think I would spend my money on. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. Make sure you're following me on all my social media so you can get a shout out on my videos. I do a shout out now every video, so make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. That's always linked down below. And if you have a video suggestion and want to leave that in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a nice comment, please do that too, because those are all ways you can get shout outs on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed and following me on Twitter and Instagram so you can get a shout out. This week's shout out is right here. So make sure you go check them out or follow them, because all their information is linked down below. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.